Welcome to Heartville Living. Today, we're talking about one of the fastest growing trends in health and wellness, personalized health. The idea that your body has unique needs. And when you understand those needs, you unlock better sleep, better energy, and better long-term health. If you've tried health routines that didn't work for you, this video will finally make it make sense. Most people follow general advice: drink more water, get more sleep, eat healthier. But here's the truth. Your age, genetics, stress levels, gut bacteria, sleep quality, and daily habits all change what healthy means for you. This is why some people thrive on low carb, while others crash. Some feel great with intermittent fasting. Others feel drained. Your body is unique, and your health plan should be too. Personalized health became popular because of wearables, smartwatches, fitness trackers, sleep rings, heart rate monitors, glucose monitors. These tools bring clarity. You no longer guess. You know how well you slept, how stressed you are, your blood sugar response, your steps and movement, your resting heart rate, your recovery. Instead of asking others, your own body gives you the answers. You don't need a lab to start. Here are 5 numbers that will completely transform how you take care of yourself. Sleep quality deep and REM sleep matter more than hours slept. Resting heart rate. Lower usually means stronger cardiovascular health. HRV, heart rate variability. High HRV means lower stress and better recovery. Daily steps, 10,000 is not required. Even 7,000 improves lifespan. Blood sugar response. Understanding. What foods spike your glucose is powerful. When you understand these 5 metrics, your health gets dramatically easier.
Know you've been a good friend.
You don't need a smartwatch or subscription. Start here. Track your energy highs and lows. Notice which foods make you energized or sluggish. Test fasting windows. Some feel great at 14 hours. Others do best at 16. Some thrive with 2 meals. Listen to your body. Improve your sleep environment. Cool room, dark space, consistent schedule. These alone improve recovery, reduce hidden stress, excess caffeine, workload, blue light, and lack of breaks. Small adjustments bring huge results. When you understand your body, you stop guessing, you stop copying others, you start improving sustainably. This is the future of wellness. Simple, personalized, and effective. If you learned something new today, subscribe to Heartville Living for more science-backed wellness videos. Healthy living doesn't have to be complicated.